Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about something super cool called smart contracts. Imagine you're making a promise, but instead of using just words, you're using a magic computer program that never forgets and always keeps its word. That's a smart contract. What are smart contracts? So what's a contract? Well, it's like when you promise your friend to share your candy and you both agree. But what if we could make this promise using a computer? That's what a smart contract does. A smart contract is a computer program that stores and manages agreements between people. These agreements can be about anything, like sharing candy, trading toys, or even buying a house. How do smart contracts work? Let's say you and your friend want to share your toys. You create a smart contract. It's like making a rule book that the computer follows. When you and your friend follow the rules, the smart contract watches and makes sure everything's fair. It's like having a magical referee. And when you both follow the rules, the smart contract rewards you with stars or points. It's like getting gold stars in school for doing good things. Why are smart contracts great? Smart contracts are awesome because they work all by themselves. Once you set the rules, the computer takes care of everything. No need for grown-ups or middlemen. Traditional contracts can be tricky, and sometimes people forget or break their promises. But smart contracts are super-duper reliable. They're like your trustworthy robot friend. Examples of smart contracts. Let's say you want to buy a cool game online. With a smart contract, you can pay for the game. And as soon as the computer program sees that you've paid, it'll give you the game to download. No waiting for the game to arrive in the mail. It's right there on your computer. So, in a nutshell, smart contracts are like super smart computer programs that make sure everyone keeps their promises. They're written on a magical blockchain, so they're safe and secure. It's like having a digital robot friend who helps you make deals and keeps things fair. Limitations of smart contracts. Smart contracts are super cool, but guess what? They're not perfect. Let's chat about the things they can't do, just like how your magic wand can't turn broccoli into ice cream. What smart contracts can't do? So, you know how smart contracts are like computer rules? Well, they can only do what you tell them to. They can't think for themselves or learn new things. Imagine if you told your robot friend to share toys with your friend every Monday. But what if you want to change it to Tuesday? Your robot friend won't know unless you tell it. Examples of limitations. Here's an example. Let's say you make a smart contract for a picnic every Saturday. But what if it rains? Your smart contract doesn't know about the weather, so it won't change the plans for you. Or let's talk about buying toys. You want to get a toy, but the price changes every day. Smart contracts can't check the price and get you the best deal. They follow the rules you set even if it's not the best deal. The need for real-world info. You see, smart contracts live inside the computer world. They don't know what's happening outside in the real world. They can't call your friend or check the weather like you can. Imagine if you promised to share your candy if your friend finished their homework. You can check if they did it, right? But a smart contract can't check things in the real world like that. Smart contracts and trust. Sometimes, smart contracts are so good that they make people trust them too much. But remember, they're still just computer programs. You should always be careful and check things yourself, like you'd check your ice cream for sprinkles. In conclusion, smart contracts are amazing for following rules, but they can't do everything. Just like your robot friend can't understand your feelings. Smart contracts can't understand the real world, But don't worry, because there are ways to make them even better. Next, we'll dive into how SAFT is making smart contracts even smarter. SAFT Smart Contracts, revolutionizing digital agreements. Smart contracts have emerged as a groundbreaking innovation within the blockchain ecosystem. These self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code have reshaped the way we think about agreements and transactions. SAFT, an innovative platform at the forefront of the blockchain revolution, has taken smart contracts to the next level, making them more secure, efficient, and versatile. The genesis of smart contracts. Before diving into the specifics of SAFT's smart contracts, let's first understand what smart contracts are and why they have become such a transformative force in the digital world. Smart contracts are like traditional contracts, but they are powered by blockchain technology. They automatically execute, enforce, or verify the terms of an agreement without the need for intermediaries like banks, lawyers, or notarias. Instead of relying on trust in a third party, smart contracts rely on trust in code and the blockchain. The concept of smart contracts was first proposed by computer scientist and cryptographer Nick Szabo in the early 1990s. However, it was not until the advent of blockchain technology, with Ethereum being a major player, that smart contracts became practical and widely adopted. The basics of smart contracts. At their core, smart contracts consist of three essential elements. Agreement. Smart contracts start with an agreement between two or more parties. This agreement outlines the terms, conditions, and actions that must be fulfilled for the contract to execute. Code. Once the agreement is established, it is translated into code, often written in a blockchain-specific programming language like Solidity for Ethereum. This code represents the logic and conditions of the contract. Blockchain. The smart contract code is deployed onto a blockchain, typically a decentralized network of computers. The blockchain acts as a secure and immutable ledger, ensuring transparency and trust. SAFT's innovative approach to smart contracts, SAFT-TP, short for Simple Agreement for Future Tokens, has embraced the power of smart contracts to create a more efficient and secure environment for token offerings and investments. Here's how SAFT has revolutionized smart contracts. 1. Security and trust. SAFT smart contracts are built on robust and secure blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. This ensures that the agreements are tamper-proof and resistant to fraud. Once a contract is deployed, no one, not even SAFT, can alter its terms. This level of security is a game-changer in a world where trust is often a concern. 2. Transparency. Blockchain technology inherently brings transparency to smart contracts. SAFT leverages this transparency to provide all parties involved in a contract with real-time access to the agreement's status. Investors can see exactly where their funds are going and track the progress of projects. 3. Efficiency and automation. Smart contracts on the SAFT platform automate many aspects of the investment process. When specific conditions are met, such as reaching a fundraising goal, the contract automatically executes actions like distributing tokens to investors. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, streamlining the entire process. 4. Legal compliance. One of the most significant challenges for blockchain projects has been navigating the complex world of regulations. SAFT's smart contracts are designed to be legally compliant, helping projects adhere to securities laws and providing investors with confidence that they are participating in a lawful offering. 5. Customizability. SAFT understands that not all contracts are the same. Projects have unique needs and requirements. SAFT's smart contracts can be customized to suit the specific terms of each agreement. This flexibility allows for a wide range of applications, from traditional fundraising to more complex financial instruments. 6. Decentralization. Decentralization is a fundamental principle of blockchain technology, and SAFT fully embraces it. Smart contracts on SAFT are deployed on decentralized networks, reducing the risk of a single point of failure or control. This aligns with the core ethos of blockchain, putting users in control of their assets and agreements. 7. Tokenization mastery. Tokenization is at the heart of blockchain innovation. SAFT's smart contracts excel in creating, managing, and distributing tokens. Whether it's utility tokens, security tokens, or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, SAFT's smart contracts provide a robust foundation for various tokenized assets. 8. Proven success. SAFT has a track record of successfully executing smart contracts for a wide range of projects. Its commitment to security, transparency, and compliance has made it a trusted platform for both project creators and investors. Real-world applications of SAFT smart contracts. The versatility of SAFT's smart contracts opens doors to countless applications. Startup funding. SAFT smart contracts facilitate secure fundraising for startups by automating the token issuance process, ensuring legal compliance, and building trust with investors. Real estate. Tokenized real estate becomes accessible to a global audience with smart contracts managing property ownership, transfers, and rental agreements. Supply chain. Transparency and traceability in supply chains are enhanced through SAFT smart contracts. They can automate payment releases upon the successful delivery of goods or trigger alerts in case of delays. Voting systems. SAFT smart contracts can be employed for secure and transparent voting systems. As we conclude our exploration of SAFT smart contracts, it's clear that they represent a pivotal advancement in the world of blockchain and decentralized technology. These contracts are not just lines of code, they're enablers of trust, transparency, and efficiency. SAFT's commitment to security, transparency, and compliance has made it a trusted platform for projects and investors alike. The future holds endless possibilities as SAFT continues to innovate, creating a world where agreements are executed flawlessly without intermediaries and where trust is inherent in the code. We invite you to be a part of this exciting journey. Whether you're a project creator seeking to raise capital or an investor looking for secure opportunities, SAFT is here to redefine your experience. Visit our website to learn more about SAFT and join our growing community. Together, we'll shape a future where smart contracts are not just a concept but a reality, driving progress and innovation across the globe. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Until next time, keep innovating and welcome to the future of smart contracts with SAFT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and news from SAFT. See you next time.